Hello and what's up everyone, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial is about how you can aid fund in your PayPal account. So if you're using PayPal and you want to aid, or if you're starting to use PayPal and you want to aid fund into your PayPal account, how are you going to do that? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to head over to your preferred browser and log in into your PayPal account. That you can do simply by going to paypal.com and then log into your account. Okay, once you log in into your account, this is going to be the dashboard. This is how it's going to look. So basically this is the home page or the dashboard of your PayPal account. Now what we are going to do is we're going to aid fund in our PayPal account. So for that, what you need to do is on the top header you would see different sections, and we are going to go on the section called wallet, right? What you need to do is click on wallet, and it'll take a bit of a loading, and after that you'll land on this page. Now for you it might be different if you already have linked a card or linked your account to the bank. If you haven't, then it'll look something like this. Now to aid fund, what you need to do is you need to link a bank or link a card, which you can do by simply clicking on one of the followings and filling up the details, and then this way you will be able to link a card or a bank. And once you link it, now what's going to happen is all you need to do is just click on the PayPal balance here. Once you click on here, this option where these options are showing, there will be another option showed as aid amount, where this is showing the same payment, aid currency, or currency calculator. There will be another option in this blue box called aid amount. What you need to do is when you click on that aid amount, basically you'll be able to aid amount, a specific amount that you type in there is going to be aided from your bank account into your PayPal account. This might take up to 3 days or 5 days depending on the transaction getting successfully done, but you can aid the money or the fund into your PayPal account via this process. So that's pretty much how you aid fund into your PayPal account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.